How to make a private story on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. On this page, go to the section New Private Story and tap on it. You will see a list of your friends chronologically. From here, you need to select the specific friends with whom you want to share the story with. After selecting the specific audiences, tap on the Create Story section right at the bottom. Then you can name your story with whatever you like. Tap on Done. A private story section will appear by the name that you've set previously. Tap on that option. Select the media from the Snapchat gallery. Tap on the arrow on the bottom right of your screen. Now, you have added a private story in your Snapchat and only the selected person or people can view the story. So, by following these steps, you can make a private story on Snapchat.